slime. And this actually, I can't believe first time doing this. And guess what? It actually made slime. I'm like, ah! As you can see, I get a new hairdo. And twist my real hair. But it's longer than this. It's just, such thing. And it is gonna look like this if you have the same videos. It doesn't stick or anything. See? It's not sticky, it's just a little sticky though. Yeah, so what you need is to put some shampoo in there. And you want to put in some salt. Stir that. Then it looks like this. Actually works. Oh, that's my dessert and my mom is calling. I'm not gonna get rid of this. I'm just gonna use some little pumpkin stick. It's like so goofy. It's like that. Actually, I got a bigger one. This is the other one that I just made. It's not sticky. It's just like that. Make sure it's sealed up so it won't dry out. So yeah, I see you later. Alligator. Bye. And make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and yeah.